Okay, this is video number 2 in our series on how to use Onshape to create 2D and 3D designs. This one's going to look at how to create a new design and just how to draw a basic shape. So when you first open up Onshape, any existing designs or documents you've created will appear here. If you want to add a new one, you go to the plus in the bottom right hand corner and pick document. And this one here, we're going to give it a name. I'll just call it H, because I'm going to make the letter H and go create. Once it opens up, you'll get a view like this, and this view shows the 3 different planes or surfaces that we could create our design on. We're going to pick the top plane to create our design on, and we're going to do that by pressing on the cube, picking the top view, so we're looking at it from above, and then go to the pencil. It says select a plane face or surface to sketch on, so I'll tap on there. And I'm going to make this really simple. I'm just going to freehand the letter H using my line tool. Now this is a pretty awful letter H I'm creating here, but we will show you in the next video how to actually make this look decent, okay? Now, for the time being, we'll leave it there. What we have created here is called a sketch. So we can see in the corner over here that we've got sketch 1. And if we're happy with that, you can also see we've got sketch 1 down the bottom here. We'll just press tick on that. And that's our completed sketch. Now, one thing to remember is, let's suppose that you want to change something about that. All right, I definitely will want to change something about that because it's looking pretty awful at the moment. But let's say I want to change something about it. Don't fall into the temptation of hitting the pencil and then pressing there to think you can start drawing again. If you do that, you're not actually editing your original sketch. You're starting another sketch on the top of the same plane. So you can see down the bottom here on the right that it says sketch 2. So you're not actually changing your original design, you're starting a new one over the top. And what people have done in the past before is they think they're adding to their original sketch, but they're just drawing another one over the top. And then it gets really hard to take your 2 or 3 sketches and turn them into one afterwards. So we don't want to do that. In fact, I'm going to hit the little cross in the bottom right-hand corner here to just delete sketch 2. And instead, I'm going to go to where it says sketch 1. I'm going to hit the 3 little dots in the corner and I'm going to go edit. And what that does is it opens that original design back up again so we can make any changes to it. Okay, so remember how to do that. Edit your original sketch. Don't try to create a new sketch over the top. You'll create a whole world of problems later on if you do that, so don't do it.